So in today's Cook the Book, what I'm going to be cooking for you is this very, very healthy and delicious mixed vegetable soup with barley. Barley is such a beautiful grain, and I know very few of us use it all the time, but today we're going to use it. You can pre-soak the barley and you can cook it before you start making the soup. So that is what I did. So I cooked this for about 25 minutes in the cooker and I cooked it in stock. Now that's the game changer. Little oil, butter, garlic, onions, salt, pepper. Sometimes I feel that I use pepper because I've only used peppermint. Let's give this a nice stir and cook it. Carrot, celery. So I've begun to believe that if you smile a lot at your food smiles back at you. Which is why, see? Vegetable stock. Bring this to a boil and see that this really cooks. We're going to really make it a little soft so that when you have your soup with your barley, it all kind of mushes in your mouth. So it took about 25 minutes. That means you put it into the cooker and 2 CTs and 15 minutes more and your barley is done. Add the mushrooms. I think it's really important how you treat your vegetables because they are the real matter of the soup. So as you know, mushrooms don't take too much of time. And now we're going to add our barley. Stock. 1, 2. Thyme, parsley, salt. This is ready to eat. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's very hot and very nice.